What's up, YouTube? Today we've got the Rock Candy wired controller Xbox 360 in blue. It also comes in pink, red, green. This is a wired controller. Even though it looks wireless, it doesn't have an input there. It has a detachable USB cord. And I've already opened this up, so let's go ahead and crack it open. And I've already done a live stream with this as well, showing the performance of it and everything. And so far, I'm loving it. It is from PDP. This company does a ton of Xbox 360 aftermarket components, and they're really nice. I'm really loving the cable. It's a long cable. I think it's like 10 feet or so. So you get plenty of cable length. And as I mentioned, it is a breakout cable. So if your dog comes running along and like pulls out, I mean, it should pull out the cable. It shouldn't actually rip out the controller. The other thing I've noticed with the stock Xbox 360 controllers is sometimes this area right here gets worn out, pulled out when you wrap it improperly or things like that. It is clear. Something to note is it does not have vibrator motors in here, so you're not going to get any kind of rumble pack on Nintendo 64 or Xbox 360 games. It does have a working Xbox button with LED light around the sides, but there is no other LED lights on this controller. It's not an LED lit controller. It's wired. You do have the little mic port there. Triggers are nice, bumpers are lovely, analog sticks are lovely, does have good accuracy there. Start and select A, B, X, Y. Then you got your D-pad here, 8-way, and then you got your left and right analog sticks. The Afterglow series. And this one does have vibrating motors. You can see these little metal things inside. And then this one has a ton of LED lights throughout the whole controller. So when you plug this in, you have this little extra button here called Afterglow. It's a little button right here. And so this can toggle on and off the different modes for the LED lights inside. The other thing about this one is it does have a wire that is stuck inside, and the breakaway is actually halfway through the controller. So this one does have a breakaway. It's a black cord, similar length and cord. The breakaway's in the middle though, instead of at the top of the controller. As far as everything else, this one has kind of a rubberized analog sticks, where this one just has the plastic analog sticks. So if you like a more smooth finish, you might want to get the cushions for this. Other than that, you can see that the actuators and everything else are almost identical. You can see inside the controllers they look very similar, and then the bumpers as well, same kind of configuration as well. But you have black versus white, and then this is green with a clear case versus blue with no LEDs. Overall, I love these. They both work great for the Raspberry Pi 3. They work for Xbox 360 and PC. So the first thing to do is we're going to configure this up, check it out on the Raspberry Pi, play some games, and check out some other stuff. Okay, so it recognizes it as a Rock Candy, which is really nice. Up, down, left, right, start, select, A, B, X, Y, shoulders, triggers, thumbs, up, down, left, right. Ooh, missed one, I think. Or is it that fast? Up, down, left, right, selection thing. This is the mu pin. Graphic glitch. Finish! Wow, I gotta make sure it's all good. It's like here in Nintendo 64 using the analog stick. It's a really good analog. Alright, now we have our Rock Candy Xbox 360 controller working. You can use not only the analog stick, but we can also use the D-pad. And let's do arcade. Welcome. Two really capable Xbox 360 controllers. Both of these I got on sale. I got this one for $20. I got this one for $15. So if you can get it anywhere near in that neighborhood, I think you're doing a good deal. But I think they're also worth the retail price as well. So really good stuff. Like it, like it, like it. Thumbs up.